Okay, I am here to rave about this outfit that is fully Shopee approved and I really love them. So as you can see, I have the one of my new pants purchase and I love this because this is the brand Posha, but these pants are beautiful. They're perfect for fall. The color is gray. I will put here the design because this is so cute. And then this is of course from Jolly Chic. And I know it's like pretty simple or kind of see-through, but this is just a beige tube bra underneath. And then with that, this maroon is perfect for fall. And I am so in love with it. And even with just this hair ponied like this, it's super nice. Now, if you want to add also the clamp that I have this beautiful bow clamp here that is so cute that I would honestly like you guys to get. And of course, the easiest thing to this, I just have a wedge here and this one I really love. It's just the best bag. Really blends with the color of my shirt, but I love it so much. So this is me on a night out. I'll see you guys. It's been a while. Bye. Okay, when you see something very businesslike like this is from Jolly Chic also. I've been loving Jolly Chic, honestly. They're great. And this pants goes with anything. This has, of course, the pockets, which is very practical. And of course, now this one goes with this beautiful shoes. Now, I would think of getting a gray shoes or white sneakers, but right now I'm honestly obsessed with these colors. Plus, this one already brightens it up. And so the perfect accessory to this is my red bag here. It's a bit more professional but still chic, chill, but still this bag, like I said, this is my everyday bag. Worth it. And of course, I do accessorize this with some of my watch. I do have a watch that I just put on before I leave. But I love this necklace. This is from GRYU or griu.ph. I will link them also. They are the perfect accessories for like the simple my hair is up, clean, and then my hair is also colored, so I need to tone down the colors. But with this, I probably change to white sneakers, but the red one kind of gives me the whole grungy look for now, so I'm actually loving it. So, and that is my outfit for the day. Sometimes you could do like just a half tuck, but I think I would just go with the full tuck on this. And yeah, I love this outfit. Bye. Okay, who says you can wear pants to a date night? I That's me. So this one I wanted to try it because I am meeting my hubby and this one is like the perfect one. So this perfect gray jeans or pants are perfect with this one. Now unfortunately this one I don't have a link for you, but I will find it in Jolly Chic because they do have a gray one. So that's a perfect part of Jolly Chic because they do have a lot of gray or different colors, and it's just really nice, clean, with the beautiful heels like this. And yeah, I love this one. But to make this a bit more classy, chic, and effortless, this one is like my sort of Kelly belt. So if we put that, it's nice. It had some interest to it, some detail, but I don't think it's like the best one. But if you do, perfect because it works with my bag. And the easiest bag is this beautiful, elegant baby here. Now this one is like the perfect date look, or from when you're going to work and then you're going to a date night cocktail with your friends afterwards, so you're already ready. So this is like for a fall color, very nice, very clean and classy. And yeah, you don't have to do much with your hair. Just put it in a bun, add a bit of some bangs, and then keep things clean, but add some texture to it. And that works well and very easy to plan. This one is a much shorter, but I do love the lay back relax to it. Although I do, if I'm going to an office, I would put a blazer on top first, then afterwards going to a party afterwards. So this one has a beautiful knitted design. A lot of brands right now doing the whole cable knit, which I love with this. Aside from I'm just wearing some ballet flats that matches the black here, and then add this gray pants. And I really wanted to jazz it up, and I know it doesn't work for everybody, but for me, works is one of my favorite fall colors right now is this one, my green. This bag with this is so nice. It adds a little bit of pop, but not doing too much to it because you just look elegant, look classy with the black bag, with the black Birkin there, and then just add an outfit. Then yeah, you look already good and ready for going out, night out with your friends. So have fun. See you guys. So, I know a lot of people have gone to offices, and I know the easiest thing to do it is get a great blouse, but you could do affordable blouses that you could use for any time, anywhere, with just the simple cheaper prices. And this one, well, this is not from Jolly Chic, but I would try to recommend the colors that is similar to this from Jolly Chic. Most of my shirts are white, black, gray, and a couple of red, and one yellow, and then a beige. So I really wanted something fall colors, and I think having a nice marine colored green shirt would look great with gray pants. It doesn't have to look too much coordinated. These shoes are from Parisian. They have really great shoes. You should try them. And honestly, I think this pants looks good with heels very much. I tried them with sneakers, but I usually just feel more comfortable with white sneakers if I ever wear long pants like this. But aside from that, this looks elegant. But you know how this makes it more different from how you usually do fall. And I've been loving this bag since I got it. So sweet from my hubby. It's this one. So this is my Kelly 25 in Epsom, and this is in the milkshake or milk tea color. Okay, it's off white, so it's not white, so I really like that about it, and it keeps this outfit very interesting. I know it's like all dark and why you get a white bag. White bags go with everything, so I would really recommend it for you guys. So check it out because it looks good together. It looks elegant. White bags is easy to pair with anything. It goes with everything. It's just like a black bag, but white. Especially if you're gonna wear something all dark already, it's nice to add a bit more depth to it. That is my outfit, and it looks good with office, going out, or an everyday brunch with your hubby or your friends. So